Alright guys, welcome to another quick unboxing. Let's see what we have tonight. There we go. Nice. So, have a nice Phrozen. I guess this is probably the power brick. Take that out of the box. And we'll slide the printer out. Hopefully without damaging it. Looks pretty nice. Nothing else in the box. So, what you see is what you get right there. Looking pretty good. Color looks nice. Nice and bright and red. Cool. Alright, so they taped it around here to make sure it wouldn't open during transport. And let's see what's in here. Let's make sure we can see what's inside here. Move the camera down. Here we go. Interesting. So it comes with the instruction manual, the cable for the power brick. So I guess the power brick's somewhere else. Funnel. Ooh. A weapon, gloves. Okay, cool. A flash drive. Some, maybe these are for the feet underneath the printer. And a tool to open the printer up. 2 extra screws. And the build plate that I've heard is notoriously annoying because the resin gets stuck on there, but let's see if we can create a mod for that in a later video. Alright, well, that's what we have in the box, and later on I will do other videos to show you guys more about the printer itself when I fully remove all the stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.